more than 1,200 videos and 1 million views. He has been working for years in MLM sector, Team Builder and MLM trainer, and also he trained more than 500,000 people all over the world. Trained top level sportsmen all over the world, mostly golf. Sir, you are warmly welcome to the stage now. Let us all give him a big round of applause.
Thank you. You are enjoying having fun in Thailand. I'm sure you are not doing the wrong things in the night. Different fun. Everybody comes for that. So, my friend, let me tell you a few things about me and then we go for a small training for you because I am a mind coach. I work with the golfers, never played golf in my life. I was with an Indian boxer who won the medal in the Olympics. I never did boxing. So, I work with the mind. And I don't do motivation, I change the programming in their mind. So today, we have no time, though I can talk for 2-3 days continuously without stopping the different thing. But today, we want to have fun. But before we go into it, I want to tell you a little bit about me, my experience with Mr. Mel and Mr. Sam Uncle. You know, I am the first person to visit their office in California. I was the first person in 2008. I've been to their office, I met him first time, and because whatever I want to work in MLM, I want to meet the owner first. Because until I know the owner, I cannot work because I don't get the confidence, right? This company now I joined only after talking to Mel. Though we talk on Zoom and WhatsApp. Now, the company is fantastic. I have seen a lot of businessmen. I will not go and talk about this today. Wonderful businessman, wonderful product. There are different things you can do easily to recruit people. Simple thing, your water bottle there, have your water in your pocket, with somebody talking, take out a small spoon, put in the water and think, and people will ask you what is happening. They will ask you don't need to tell them what you are selling or what business you are in. They will ask you, what is this? So there are a lot of things we can talk later on in the future because we will be doing a lot of Zoom sessions and training, which I will be doing a lot of training. Now before, I want to tell you something interesting thing because I am into mind training since 1972. Many of you are not born also. I was only 14. I got into hypnosis and NLP, law of attraction, traveled all over the world. Now, with my experience, a lot of funny things happened in my life. I thought about somebody, immediately I met him. From nowhere. I was wondering what is happening. Then I started doing a lot of research and something I want to tell you very important here. Now let me ask you a question. You go to Google and search something, right? Some product or something you search. After once you search for it, suddenly you find you go to YouTube, same products are coming up. Go to Facebook, same thing is coming up. How it is possible? You take one video on the YouTube, one particular topic, and then for the next 3-4 days, you log into YouTube, same kind of videos are coming, same type of ad is coming. You see that? Yes, see? What is happening? What is happening?
Yeah.
How do you know? They call artificial intelligence software to the system. But you know one thing, with our mind, we already have an artificial intelligence software working for a long time. Let me give you an example. I am talking to you constantly, right? So my hard drive is here. For example, my laptop is my hard drive. So whatever I have done since my birth is all there. All the memories, everything there. I search it, I will get it. But I don't find something there, then what we do? Connect to internet, go to World Wide Web and get connected. So listen carefully. We have a conscious mind, we have a subconscious mind, we have a superconscious mind, and it is built so powerfully. The internet connection is continuously working 24 hours. So be careful what you ask for. You ask for problem, more problem will come. Ask for letting know something you want to achieve, they will connect to you. Now, I will not go more in detail. See, if you are searching on Google something, you have to very specific keyword. Then only you get the result. If your keywords are not right, then what will happen? Confuse you. So what we do? Narrow down. Same thing with the network marketing. Now let me tell you a very interesting thing over here. You might have seen many of your friends or many of your relatives or your the sideline, the other guy, they are getting very good results without working. And you are working hard, but not getting people. You know why? There is a difference in their mind programming. They are looking, the successful person are looking for the right kind of people. They are very specific about what they want. They are looking for the very specific person to work with them. Other people, I am not getting people. I am not finding people. I am not finding either. What happened? They are sending message to conscious mind, subconscious mind, universal mind. So what universal mind will do? Give more of them. Give more of them. So we need to be very careful using your universal mind. I have a lot of stories. I never knew anybody in the golf. When I programmed my mind, within 1 year, I became world famous in golf mind training, and I met Tiger Woods in 2009 3 times. The wrong thing was, we didn't put my training there. Otherwise, we would not have the problem after 3 months. You understand what I'm saying? I had a very positive in Orlando, Florida. So thing is, our mind is very powerful. To become successful in network marketing, start using your mind correctly. I'll give you simple tips here today to use. In a company which I worked before in 2000, I did my mind training and people have made a lot of money, still making a lot of money. The worst businessman, worst product, still people make money. Am I right, Aditji? Aditji was with me in that company. So here we have a very good product. And one more interesting thing I'll tell you about the product here. Many companies go, Amway, Herbalife, whatever company go, there are hundreds of products. You are confused what to talk. Here only one product. Only one product. See, this is something fantastic. Businessman, as mentioned in the morning, first take was $16. After 1 month work, in 1 month you work in this company and sign up only 5 people direct, what will be your check? Alright? So the things are changed, plans are changed, things are fantastic, wonderful people. And one good thing about this company is before I go to my training, I'm not able to stop myself. Today I saw him first time on the stage, I was really hypnotized. Though I hypnotize people, he hypnotized people. The way he did our thing, really, the one thing I tell you, with a lot of network marketing company come, they are investors, they don't know network marketing, they come into network marketing, and when the leaders start making money, they don't want to give. Now, the advantage with this company now globally is, owner is already a networker before. He knows what to be done, what is required to be done. So we are at the right place at the right time with the right people.
Right.
Now, this is one part of our mind which we have programmed before to have a nice company. That's why we all are here today, right? So now, how do we program your mind to get the best and then benefit out of it? Now, let me tell you what is my plan today for you. I'll give you a very small, will take long time to explain. I'll give you small things. Then few tips I have given to my team when we are working in network marketing, which really work, and to do with mine, I'll give you the small tips. The last thing, if the time permits, because we are in the network marketing, we need to go out and meet people. How we go out and meet people? Sometimes becomes difficult. I'll give you some very special tips which I use. You can use. If the time permits, not now, later on, because we are here today and tomorrow also. During the break, you can come and meet me, we can have a lot of fun. But of something which I'm going to give you some very powerful, simple tricks. Very simple tricks which people will be amazed and start talking to you. Okay? So, let's talk about, I have a big list. Let me talk about it a bit. I have a big list. In fact, those of you want, I have created a course on how to use universal mind power, available to all our renowned team free. I will send a link to our DG. You can forward it to the people, you can download that and watch them. See, most important thing is the keyword. What we ask and program our mind. Remember, when you bought your first time when you decide to buy a car, you decided on the model of the car and suddenly you come out of your house, you find that car all over. Happened? Why not before? Because the goal was not there before. The moment you thought about it, message goes to your universal mind power, worldwide web, and you start seeing that kind of car everywhere. Now, if you are looking for network marketing leader, if you are really focused on the right, you have to write down what kind of leader you want. Not only you want a leader, what kind of leader you want. Even is it teachable, duplicatable, willing to learn. Be very specific. The moment you are specific, you will find not 100 leaders, you find 1 or 2 leaders, and that is enough for you because of to build only 2 legs. Alright? And your plan is working, 1 leg is already working. So you have to work only in 1 leg. That is one of the binary plan. Now, second thing is, you need to ask yourself a right question. Most of the time we ask yourself a wrong question. For example, you go for a meeting or a presentation. For example, you go for a presentation and you work out. You come out and you ask yourself, oh, why I failed? Why I failed? Your mind will give you 100 reasons why you failed. Ask yourself, what can I do next time to become successful? What can I do next time to close the sale? So the moment you change the question, things changes in your mind. Your subconscious mind will come out of the answer. Now remember one thing, questions are very, very important. Most of the inventions happen when the inventor was asking himself the right questions. Answer comes in when you are not doing something else. Now, another important thing, the words we use. Words are very, very important. Words are very, very important. Stop using the word try. I will try to contact you, I will try to call you, never use the word try. Sir, you are a good friend of mine. Would you like to come here for a moment? Yes, give a round of applause for coming. Because you call any Indian friend, they said I am calling. Huh? Thank you. I really like, you know what I like in you? Shall I tell you a secret? Your bell. See the bell? Wonderful bell. I like this kind of bell. Huh? Okay. Will you like to become my most special subject for some time?
Oh yeah.
That one. So you are right hand or left hander?
Alright.
Make your hand like this. When I press you like this, show me how strong you are. Really strong. Now listen carefully. I said resist. Now listen carefully. Try to resist. Give me your hand. Try to resist. Try to resist. Resist. Try to resist. Trying never works. Trying will always be. Never use the word try. Now, another important thing. When we are network marketing, most of the time what happens, many of us, I'm not talking about you, I'm talking about myself also, we keep looking different companies, different business plans, different products. And then what happens? Our energy comes down. See, the name is Harold. Harold. You know that?
That's why it's Harold.
See, one more important thing. Because I don't want to take much time, I want to quickly do something for you to help. Now, one more important thing. You must have somebody here, say for example, a degree here.
Yeah.
Can you pick up somebody who is better than you? Yeah. No, there anybody. Not only network marketing, something else. Somebody is better than you. Just pick up something.
Yeah.
Deepak, better than you, huh?
100%.
100%, give me your hand. When I press the Rajesh, show me your first part. Good. Now look at the Deepak and say Deepak is better than me and Rajesh.
Deepak is better than me.
Deepak is better than me.
Deepak is better than me.
Now say I am the best.
I'm the best.
I am the best.
I'm the best.
I am the best.
I'm the best.
I'm the best. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Never say other company is better than our company.
Correct.
Never say what? Our products are the best. Always say I am the best. My company is the best. My upline is the best. Our company is the best. My mind is the best. No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I don't tell you that. Not the most person. I got a long time, last 2 days, my hands were itching to do something. Okay, you have a team member here?
Yeah.
No, stick one.
Ray.
Come. Now, listen carefully. When I work with the sportsmen, the first thing I teach them, never look around the better player or good player. Always say I am the best and play. Now, this is in their mind. which most of the time we talk about negative things, lot of negative people around us they talk. Now there is a very important thing which I realized in sport, which work here in the team also. Now we are going to do a small experiment. I am not going to tell them. I have to picture my mobile because I have to give you the information.
All right.
Okay.
Right. Right hand. Show me your hand. Are you strong? I don't think so. Yeah. When I press the right. Now, what we need to do is show you something. Yeah. Don't do anything right now.
Look at it. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. No, give me a hand. When I press you resist. Not like this. Like this. Now, look at it. Now resist. Now change. See what happened? You notice what happened? Notice what happened?
I want to tell you in secret. Oh my God!
You know what happened? I'll ask you, look at him, because he's a team member, tell him, mentally you say he's an idiot. No, he didn't say that. He's not a good person. Something I asked him to say negative about him. Without saying anything, his energy came down. Then I asked him to change. Now, I want you to explain what you did. Mike, can you have a mic?
Girls, be careful. This is not a picture.
Alright.
What I was telling you was like the one which you told me, right? Like, look at him in the eye. Like, he's a guy who's nothing, useless or an idiot, right? So, and then he presses the hand and it kind of like this, right? I said, then change. Look at him as the best, the top. He could be the best person. So I look at him up and then he will become very strong, man. I don't know why, but that's awesome, man. It's awesome.
You are not going. Thank you.
Oh my God.
Thank you. Because I want to hypnotize so much that you ask to come to Philippines. Now, listen carefully. The few very important things in network marketing which I realized. Number one, you say my company is the best, my client is the best, my government is the best, my company. Here is the fantastic person, and his father is the more fantastic person. I met him personally. Now, that's one thing. Second thing is, always have a good energy about your team. Says, my team is the best team. Yes, if you have it, automatically that energy will go. I worked with the captain, one cricket captain in Kolkata, Ranji Trophy, those of you who know about it. I worked with them that time, I will not tell you the name of the captain that time. He's a wonderful person, but energy was very weak. They were losing all the matches, then they changed the captain, everything changed. So, energy. Now, one more important thing. When we do network marketing, first thing it comes in your mind is when you go and meet clients, that person may have a problem with the money. You had a problem with the money, I had a problem with the money. Then I find out a very interesting thing. You have a wallet in your pocket?
Yeah.
Can you take it out?
Yes, sure.
So keep it in there. Give me a no, that. Take your hand. Make it tight. When I press you the bit. Rajit, no, Rajit. Right. Now give me your part. Gone. Give me a hand now. When I press the bit now. Me. Money is power. Money is power. Now see the in my pocket. Now see the power now.
It's okay.
No, keep it only in your hand, give it back to me. When I press the Rajit. See, whether it is your money or somebody else's money, money is power. So, the rule here is, If your joining is $245, keep $500 in your pocket, cash, not credit card. It may not be your money. It may be your upline money, maybe your downline money. Whether your mother or father's money, don't store it. Don't see it. Your money, for somebody's money. When you have money in your pocket, what will happen? Your energy will change. In your subconscious mind, objection force, no money will never come. Listen carefully. Very, very important. Always keep money. So whenever I travel, if I have less money in my pocket, I am very uncomfortable. So I have a credit card. See, so many credit cards here. No use. Money has the power. Real money has the power. Okay? Now, see, one more thing which I want to tell you here is, we need to remove our fear. Because we need to talk. We have education in topic. We need to give presentation. We need to give presentation, right? So we need to speak. So we need to have a confidence to speak, or we need to have a remove fear. Now I want to give you a very small, powerful gift here. Very powerful gift here. Remember, in your subconscious mind, we have all the states available. Confidence. You have been confident many times, right? Because sometimes what happens when you started initiating, you didn't have a confidence to talk in front of a group, right? But you have been confident in other things. See, like I work with the sportsmen, top sportsmen, and they have a lot of confidence playing their sports. But if you give them a mic, they will not be able to speak. That means that they don't lack confidence. Confidence already there inside, they don't know how to use it. What if I give you a trick right now to make a fist in your hand and feel confident anytime you want? Will it be a good thing? Will it be a good thing? So, you be here for some time.
Sure.
I like your breath. See, I also like breath.
It's more expensive.
So, what happened? Okay, what we will do here is, you have been confident many times in your past, right? You might have done. Not network marketing, not public speaking, some other situations. Maybe talking to your friends, playing a sport. Now what I want, all of you have a pen and pen there. Take 2 minutes time. Write down in the past when you felt confident. 3 times. You did something confidently in the past 3 times. It's called NLP anchoring. Yeah. NLP. It's called anchoring. But I will have some more powerful stuff there which I'll tell you later on. So write down 3 situations you felt very confident, you did develop the job. And then give them a number, 1, 2, 3, right? 1 is the least one, 3rd one is the strongest one. 1, 2 and 3. And then we do a fun exercise right now. And then, I think people are writing it. Yes, I think you are ready. Okay, now we do an exercise. For this exercise, you need to close your eyes. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Good. Now, what we are going to do, let me tell you. Understand it and then you can use it. I'll ask you to close your eyes, and when you close your eyes, I'll ask you the first one. The least one. Go to bedtime, see what you saw, hear what you heard, feel what you felt, and then when you do that, you'll find that same feeling start coming into your body and mind. So the feeling start coming, use your right hand or the left hand, make a fist in your right hand and say, I am confident. Say, I am confident. Make a fist and say, I am confident. Then release. Then I have to go to the second situation. Again, when you feel it, I'll guide you. 3rd time. 3 times when you do it, you will have confidence in your faith. Anytime you are going to meet somebody, you don't need to show them your faith. You can just, and you feel confident and do your job. Whether you are doing closing, follow-up, or presentation, or invitation. So you can use this to feel more confident, and the result will be very fantastic. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so close your eyes. You can also do it if you want. I will give you some more gifts later on. Some very powerful gifts. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Just relax. And now go back. Pick up the first one. You written now. Eyes closed. Do it right now. Close your eyes. Go back to the time. See what you saw. Hear what you heard. Feel what you felt. Notice Notice how you are talking that time, how you are behaving time, how you are moving around your body. Really feel it is happening right now. And you feel right now, you find the same confidence feeling coming all over your body and mind. And hence comes your body and mind. Intensify, multiply, and make a fist in your whichever hand you want, and say the word in your mind. I am confident. Say, I am confident. I am confident. Release your face, open your eyes, and look around, and close your eyes again. Close your eyes again. This time, go to the second one, little stronger one. Go back to the time, see what you saw, hear what you heard, feel what you felt, as if it is happening right now. Intensify this wonderful feeling, multiply it now, feel this wonderful feeling moving up and down in your body faster and faster. Intensify it, make the same fix in your head again, and say, I am confident. Fantastic. Release your face, open your eyes, look around, close your eyes again. Take a deep breath. And now go back to the third one, the last one, the strongest one. Go back to the time, see what you saw, hear what you heard, feel what you felt, as if it is happening right now. Intensify this wonderful feeling, multiply it now. And make the twist again in your eyes and again, and say, I am confident. Confident. Now open your face, look around, look around, look around, look around, look around. What is the time now? Look at your watch, what is the time? I just wanted to break your state, unnecessary question, to divert your attention. Now make a fist again with your eyes open, say I am confident, notice how you feel. Is it coming back? Now, if it is not coming back fully, that means you are not done the exercise correctly. Do it one more time, very simple exercise, right? Now, another thing is our imagination. You know, our imagination is very powerful, you know that? For example, if I put a wooden plank here, that long, this much weight, if all of you will ask you to walk on them, you will walk it? Able to walk on the wooden plank? Yes. If I put these two, that wooden plank, between two multi-story building on the terrace, how many of you will to walk it? Why? Because imagine how the fear is you will fall down. Here, there is no imagination that you will fall down. So imagination is much more powerful. Now, I work with a lot of imagination. I work with my sports people, teach them to visualize their performance before they go and do it. I work with my golfer, I ask them to play the 18 hole in their mind in the night before they go and play. Now, but there is a small difference. I find out some of them were doing a wonderful job, some of them were not. Then I realized that there was a difference into their imagination. There are two kinds of imagination. Listen carefully, or visualization. First is, for example, I was imagining myself giving a lecture here. So, from distance, I was watching myself giving a lecture. That is not effective. Second one is, I am making a picture, I am not seeing myself, I am seeing the whole crowd and talking. It's called associated with the feeling. Then it becomes stronger. Then I realized what was the mistake I was doing with my player. I was not teaching them how to fully associate and do the imagination. So if they are hitting a ball, actually their hands should move a little bit. Micro movement should happen in their hands. Then only it is real. So imagination is very, very powerful. Now my question here is, will you like to know the power of your imagination? Yes. This side of us are not talking. This type of only people reacting because I called him. That's why. Do you want to know the power of your imagination?
Yes.
Okay. Now we do a fun exercise to show you how our imagination can affect you physically also. Would you like to know?
Yes.
Okay. So listen carefully. Make your hands like this, right hand palm upwards, left hand palm downwards, sit straight like this. And then I'll ask you to close your eyes and really imagine it. Feel it. Right hand palm upwards, left hand palm, everybody feel it. Have fun. It's a fun exercise. Okay. Now close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now imagine on your right hand, the palm of your right hand, there is a heavy, thick, black color encyclopedia kept on your right hand. Feel the weight, 5 kg book, really feel it. Okay, the weight on your right hand. And your left hand, there is a big gas balloon, number of gas balloon, helium gas balloon, try putting your left hand up to the ceiling. Feel the weight of the book on your right hand. And as you do, your right hand is going down, left hand is moving up, up to the ceiling. Now, slowly open your eyes and look at your hand. Some of you are thrown the book down also. Open your eyes and come back. Come back. So, how many of the was there a book in your hand? But you imagine, listen carefully. Subconscious mind does not understand what is real or imagined. If you want to become a successful networker, imagine, believe, pretend that you are a successful networker. Words will flow freely. Your actions will change. Your body postures will change. The way you talk, your energy will. People join because of your energy, not because of plan. Man says, really, he didn't understand anything in the business class. He only understands $5,000, $10,000. Right? Because of the people, the way they are saying it. What's the answer? Come here, people. Fun thing, yeah? So, you want to have any fun? Sure. Stand like this. Make one leg forward. And just relax. Too much power. Yes. Yes. Look there. Take a deep breath. And as you exhale, imagine that your leg is becoming heavy. Can you see little heaviness? Huh? Take another deep breath. And this time you will find that your leg is becoming so heavy, glued, stuck to the floor. Really want it, pretend it and happen. When you really feel that your hand is so heavy and stuck to the floor, try to lift your leg and find it not going to lift it. Try to lift it. The harder you try to lift it, not finish. Both the legs are stuck now. Both the legs are stuck. Give me your hand. But wait. Nothing is over here. I just started. So your legs are stuck, right? You are not hypnotized. No? Now, give me your hand and your legs are stuck. Your hand is stuck to your head and you cannot remove it. The harder you try to lift the tightness, but you cannot. Interesting. Open your mouth. You cannot close it. Harder you try to go wider and interesting. Right. Okay. We have one. Now, what happened here is, I used the power of imagination. His leg got stuck because he imagined that. Both the legs were stuck, hands stuck because he imagined that. If they are not imagined, it would not have worked. Now listen carefully. Most of the time we are imagining the wrong things. I can't speak in the public. I can't talk to the people. What happened? Message goes to your mind and that make it clear. So start saying, I am a good speaker, I am a successful, I am a 10-star. 10-star achiever. The moment you start thinking, the thing will start happen, I know, but still 5 years more. Still need to have fun. Thank you. Look into my eyes. Sir, we have to come in one more time. Now, listen my friend, when you go to meet people and friends, so I have a lot of things in my mind to do, but the time was bad because we had a lot of time going on. We want to have it fun. Okay? Now listen carefully. What I am going to do now is, with my friend over here, I will teach you how to do it. You can have a lot of fun with the people when you go to the party or when you are going tomorrow to the place, right? So, how will I know? I am 64. You can put your hand on my shoulder. Pick together. Now, you can push me now. Push me, right? Good. Very strong. Relax. Now listen, close your eyes. Take a deep breath. And now imagine all your energy from your legs coming out of your body, going into my body, and you have no energy left. Open your eyes and now push. Open your eyes and push. Open your eyes. Push. Hey, get up. Help me. From behind. Yeah, help me. Push it. Okay. Thank you. Now, I did something with the mind? No, it's great. You all can do it. You want to learn? Do you want to learn what I did?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, I'll show you what I did. Come here. See, keep your close. Here, all the energy. Put your hand here. Look at my hand, what my hands are doing. My hands are behind the elbows. And I put a little bit and press. All energy from me. Push. This is a body magic trick. One more. Put your leg here. One leg. Give me your hand. You are strong man. Can you push me? 51, 54. Again, it is a body magic trick. You can have fun tomorrow. See, look at his hand and look at my hand. My hand is straight. I have full energy. If his hand is straight, he can throw me anywhere. Got it? Now one more thing. Put your hand here. Hold my hand here. Now, can you separate my hand? Try to separate my hand. I'm not strong. This is a body magic. If my hand is like this, nobody can pull because this energy is diverted in two places. The three tricks which I gave you right now, you can have fun with the people wherever you go. In a party or meeting, have this, everybody will look around to you, talk to you, then you take out your breath water bottle. All because of black water. So people can start talking to you, you can make more friends, more people join you, team, if you learn fun. And if possible in your country, whichever country, if there is some magic shop, buy some small magic items. So you can start everywhere you go, you can start talking to the people, and then they will ask you what you do. Now you know in network marketing somebody asks you what you do and what to say. Am I right?
Yeah.
Right? So okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, thank you very much. Now my friend, listen, let me finish it off. Ask yourself a right question. Decide what you really want. Message will go to your subconscious and start attracting right people at the right time. Use your imagination, visualize your success. Use the trigger for confidence what we did just now, whenever you are going for a meeting or anywhere. Now, because the time is very short here, I will stop it here. Thank you very much, Abhijit. Thank you very much. Thank you, my friend, for being here. Thank you, Vika. Thank you.